Mastering Video Call Etiquette. How to use the chat feature effectively. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our series on video call etiquette. Today, we're focusing on a feature that's not always properly utilized but can greatly enhance your video call experience: the chat feature. We'll be looking at how to use it for asking questions and making comments during a call. The chat feature in video calls provides a text-based communication channel alongside the video and audio channels. This feature can be used for a variety of purposes, such as asking questions, providing additional information, or sharing relevant resources. When joining a video call, it's important to understand the role of the chat feature and how to use it effectively. It's not just a side feature, it's a critical part of communication during the call. When you have a question during a video call, one way to get an answer without interrupting the speaker is to use the chat feature. Type your question in the chat box, keeping your language polite and clear. Remember to use question marks and avoid using all caps, as it can be interpreted as shouting. It's okay to say, "Excuse me, I have a question," or "Can I ask something?" before typing your question. This shows respect for the ongoing discussion. Chat is also a great place to share your comments or feedback. Comments should be constructive, relevant, and respectful. Be careful with humor, as it may not always translate well in text form. When you want to agree with a point made during the call, instead of interrupting, you can simply type "agree" or "good point" in the chat. This way, you can contribute to the conversation without disrupting the flow of the meeting. Remember, the chat box is a public space. Everything you write can be seen by everyone on the call. So, keep your comments professional and relevant to the topic being discussed. Avoid using the chat for private conversations or off-topic comments. And just as in verbal communication, avoid dominating the chat. Give others the chance to contribute as well. And that's it for today's lesson on using the chat feature in video calls effectively. I hope this video has been helpful and enlightening. Remember, good video call etiquette can make your calls more productive and pleasant for everyone involved. So, be sure to use the chat feature wisely. See you in our next video.